Exercise 5C. Solve sum 1 to 20 using factorization method. Factorization method means the multiplication of first term and last term and addition of two middle terms. So we have to split the middle terms into two terms such that it is the addition of the middle term and it is a multiplication of first term and last term also. Okay, first sum, x square minus 10x minus 24 is equals to 0. So 1 into minus 24 is minus 24 and middle term is minus 10. So minus 24 we have to split in such a way. See, even 6 and 4, but minus 6 minus 4, the sum is minus 10, but multiplication will be plus 24. So we can't take these two numbers. Minus 12 and plus 2. Multiplication is minus 24. Addition is minus 10. So we have to take minus 12 and plus 2, not 6 and 4. Okay. So instead of minus 10, we will write minus 12x plus 2x. So what we got? X square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. Now pair first two terms and last two terms. What is common? X. What is remaining? X minus 12. In this, 2 is common. X minus 12 is equals to 0. Now in these two terms, x minus 12 is common. What is remaining? X plus 2 is equals to 0. So x minus 12 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. X minus 12 is 0 means x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 2. Second sum, x square minus 16 is equals to 0. What is 16? 4 square. So x square minus 4 square is equals to 0. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. So directly we can use the formula. It will become x minus 4 into x plus 4 is equals to 0. So either x minus 4 is 0 or x plus 4 is 0. X is equals to plus 4 or x is equals to minus 4. Third sum, 2x square minus half x is equals to 0. What is common? X is common, so we remove x. What is remaining? 2x minus half is equals to 0. So now this is already factorized, so we will directly do either x is 0 or 2x minus half is 0. So x is 0 or 2x is equals to half, or x is equals to, take 2 down, so 1 upon 4. Fourth sum, x into x minus 5 is equals to 24. First we will open, we will get x square minus 5x, this left hand side when I shift, minus 24 is equals to 0. Same way, 1 into minus 24 is minus 24. Okay, and here middle term is minus 5. So we have to find the two numbers such that the multiplication is minus 24 and addition is minus 5. So 8 3s are 24, minus 8 plus 3. Multiplication minus 24, addition minus 5. So instead of minus 5x, we will write minus 8x plus 3x. So we get the equation as x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24 is equals to 0. Pair first two terms and last two terms. What is common? X. What is remaining? X minus 8. In last two term, plus 3. X minus 8 is equals to 0. What is common in this two? X minus 8. So what we got? X plus 3 equals to 0. So either x minus 8 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. That means x is equals to 8 or x is equals to minus 3. Fifth sum, 9 upon 2x is equals to 5 plus x square. Okay, so now we take 9 upon 2x to the right hand side. We get x square minus 9 upon 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now since this is upon 2, it's better first we multiply all the sides by 2. So we get 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now same way, first term into last term, that is plus 20. Okay, and the addition should be minus 9, middle term. So minus 5 and minus 4. Multiplication is plus 20, addition is minus 9. So we get 2x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, pair first two, last two. What is common? X. What remains? 2x minus 5. Here what is common? Minus 2. We get 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now in these two terms, 2x minus 5 is common. So we get x minus 2 is equals to 0. So either 2x minus 5 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. 2x is equals to 5, x is equals to 5 by 2 or x is equals to 2. Sixth sum, 6 upon x is equals to 1 plus x. So it's same way, because it is upon x, we will multiply all the sides by x. We will get 6 is equals to x plus x square. Okay, now I will transpose this to the right hand side. I will get x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Same way, first into last term, minus 6 is equals to plus 1. That is 3 2s are plus 3 minus 2. So instead of plus 1 x, we will write plus 3x minus 2x. So we get x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. Pair first two and last two. What is common? X. X plus 3 remains. Minus 2. X plus 3 remains. Now in these two terms, x plus 3 is common. So x plus 3, what you got? X minus 2 is equals to 0. So either x plus 3 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. Means x is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to